Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with a new video of Android development. So in the previous video we have created over fancy dialog as you can see here in over emulator. So if you want to create this one you can watch over previous video. So now in this video we will create custom dialog. If I click on second button here you can see here is our custom dialog, and if I click on the third one here you can see this is the third dialog that will be custom dialog. We will use material dependency to create this one. So we will use material dependency to create these two dialog that will be custom dialog. So copy this dependency and go to build.create module file, and here we will paste that dependency and now click on sync now. Okay, now we will add over two buttons in over activity.xml. So here we have text views. Just remove this text view. Okay, now drag two button here. The first one is positive button and the second one is over negative button. You can call it win or lose. Okay, now select first one and give the id btn win, and second one is over btn lose. Okay, now we will create a member variable inside our main activity, and here we have two buttons, btn win. So now we will initialize inside our on create method. So btn win equal to find view by id. Okay, now we will set click listener on both buttons. So btn win dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and now for btn lose dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, now here we will open over win dialog. So press alt enter to make this method inside our activity, and also here we will open lose dialog. Okay, now we will create over layouts. So go to resource layout, and here we will create the layout. So right click on this and create layout resource file. So here we can say win layout and hit the enter button. So now go to text, press alt control L, and now here we need to add width will be 350 and gravity will be center. Okay, now height will be wrap content. So here we change height into wrap content. Okay, now inside this constraint layout we will add card view. So here we will add our card view. So make sure you have select androidx.cardview.widget.cardview. So this will be match parent. So I will select card radius. So I will select here 20 dp and now close it. Now inside this card view we will add constraint layout. So here we will add constraint layout. That will be match parent, and just close it. Okay, press alt control L, and here we have to add the data. So now we need to add cross icon. So we need to create the vector asset. So create vector asset, and here we will add close this asset. So I just simply select this one. I see close. Here we have to add 35 dp for both. Next and finish. Okay, now go to our design and here we will add image view. So just simply drag it here and select this icon. Okay, now select it here and add the constraint left and top. Now give the id image view close. Okay, now under this one we need text view, so here we need to add text view. So I think we have to change first it into match parent. It's better, yeah, like this. It's easy to design. So I select this text view and add the constraint from top, from right, from left, and select a margin from top 16 dp. Now this one is you win. Okay, now change the text size. So I will change here text size into 35 dp, 36 dp, and change the style into bold. Okay, now I will add few colors. So here I have two colors. I will add these color. You can copy it in from video description. So go to value and open color, and here we will paste that color. Okay, now here we will add color. So text color, I will choose yellow color, like this. Now I will add image view. So I have already created the image. Here you can see, just copy these two image and go to over drawable and just simply paste it here. Okay, now select the image view and drag it here and select the win. Okay, now change the width into 350. So I will select here 350 dp. Okay, now add the constraint from left, right, and also top. Add a margin from top 16 dp. Okay, now add the text view. So here I will add text view and add the constraint from top and change it into match parent and select the gravity will be center. Okay, now here I will change the text. So let's say I type here, this is random text for testing purpose. Okay, now we will add button. So drag it here button and add the constraint also from top, and here I will add the margin 16 dp. So I will change the width into 200 dp. Okay, now we will add background for this button. So go to drawable, new and drawable. So here we will create btn bg, and here we will add some item. Inside item we will add shape, and inside shape we will select solid. Color will be color yellow and close it. Now we will add corner radius will be 45 db and close it. Now go to our dialog and here we will select the background. So here we need to add the background. So btn bg. Okay, now we will change the text button color. Sorry, button text color. So first we need to change okay text and also text color. We need to add white color. Okay, it's good. Now go to text and just change this into wrap content, and let's see how it's looking. Okay, now select this button and add the margin from bottom 16 dp. We need to add the constraint of this card view, so select this card view and add the constraint from all the site. And also we need to add the id of this button, so btn okay. And go to our main activity, and here we will create the dialog. So I will create here dialog and simply call it dialog, and here we will initialize it, so dialog equal to new dialog, and pass here context. Okay, now inside this open win dialog, here we will need to add inflate layout, so dialog dot set content view. So here we need to inflate the layout, so r dot layout dot win layout dialog. Okay, now we will change the background color transparent, so dialog dot get window dot set background, and here we need to pass transparent background, new color tribal, and here we will pass color dot transparent. Okay, now we need to initialize our button and close image view, so here we will create image view, so here we call it image view close equal to dialog dot find view by id r dot id dot image view close. Okay, now duplicate this line and change this into button, and this one is btn okay, and also btn okay. Okay, dialog dot show. Okay, now run the application and let's see it's working or not. Okay, let's click on this win dialog. Here you can see it's looking like this. So let's click on this button, nothing perform here. So we need to set a click listener on this OK button. So here we have to image view close dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we have to dismiss over dialog. So dialog dot dismiss, and also we have to show a toast message here, and here we will copy this one and paste it below, and now change this btn OK, and also we will add here okay. Now go to our win layout, and here we have to give a margin from left little bit, sorry, right adp, and also from top adp. Okay, now duplicate this win layout, so here we have to change it into loose, and just change here you lose, and change the text color into red, and here we need to change the tribal, so I will select here source, and here we need to pass loose. Okay, now select this button, and here we have to change the background color, so I will simply add here tint. Okay, now we need to decrease the size, so here I will decrease the size little bit, so here we have to change it into 200. Okay, also 200 height. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, now go to main activity and copy all this code and just paste it inside our open loose dialog, and here we have to change loose layout dialog. So let's run the application again. Okay, application successfully running, so let's click on this win dialog. Here you can see it's looking nice, so let's close it. Yeah, here you can see, so let's click on this loose dialog, and here we go. You can see here you can also decrease the size of this image, and you can also perform any task on this OK button. If you want more interesting video like this, you can subscribe my channel, and also if you like this video, please thumbs up my videos, share my videos, and see you next video. Take care.